I'm looking for longs at 8s in the LVM. Uptaking here. Sellers hit. Shelling 0.6. Short 7 on sell pressure. Bid stuffs. Wait. Yeah. Q empties immediately, but I scratch anyways. It looked dangerous. I'm chasing the LVN now. Long 7s. That for a scratch. Short 8s on sell pressure and absorption. That trade, I'm short 9s on continuation into the end of the distribution. It's a poor trade. I realize the error of my ways. I lose the trade. I got short 9s. Shelling point is at 0, so it's right below the 9. Part of the distribution. Smooths at value. She's hitting buy side now. I'm trying to go with tape. Upticking now on 8s. Back into the node. Buyer's absorbed. I should pull this long order I have. Pull the order. The ask spoofs. Buyers get in. 7s. Giving her a bit of wiggle room. Okay, speed of tape is slowed down. But we're in a low volume node. They can't, there's kind of a lack of initiative buying here. Scratch. Scratch. Short 9s. Scratched. Long 9s actually. Buy pressure here. Chasing short on breakdown. Excess distribution. Like it's a plunge and a late reaction into the low volume HVN. Won that trade. Spoos at the lows. The ledge 7-4. Same recording. short fives and long fives as scratch. Uptaking shelling point 4, shelling point 9. Probably then 2 and 3 of the 4. Sellers hit here. Short 5, shelling point's 4. It's not a bad area. Sellers step in. I scratch. Get short again. They're quiet now. I don't like that. Giving it some leg room because buyers can't lift. Scratch. Lift the offer. The node now. They're hitting in. Lifting offers. Stacks. Really heavy buying into the node. Really good trade here. Make note of that. I scratched it, but it was a good entry. We're in a low volume node here. I got long. Tape exploded. This is a replay. I don't know if there was news or not. I don't know how much I was slipped. I know there was news. There's no news today, but maybe I missed something. I'm almost certain I didn't though. Just keep it pushing. My idea now is because she slipped. She's gonna rally back up and recover liquidity. Long 5. It's the POC of the distribution that filled out. I scratch it. Heavy selling here. I get short 5 after I scratch. Scratch again. Chasing long 5. I missed the entry. Chasing momentum here. There really isn't much momentum at all. Tape's really quiet. I get out for a scratch. That was the right decision. Take note of that. First of all, kind of a poor trade. 4s, I think. Yeah, shelling points at 3 and 2. I can't pause that anymore. Shelling points at 3 and 2. So, I got long 4s. And the tape that showed up, it was non-existent. So, that was a good scratch. It was the right decision, especially because I couldn't lift at all. Long 5, mean reversion. They're holding an auction here. I get out for a scratch. Hit long 5 again. I scratch.
5. I win that trade. I get in on selling pressure. We've had an auction between 4 and 6, and tape is slamming. Chances are it goes down as high. As the pressure stays. The ASCII stack's really heavy. 7. So there's this kind of a psychological impact of there being that many. I scratch 2 at 7 because I'm playing a dangerous trade here into the node, which can statistically revert. I'm listening for buyers mainly, for seller. I'm listening for the ask, I mean. Ask is quiet, but the queue is balanced on both sides. I scratch another one. Looks like the ask move is over. But then they tick lower, they step in again, and I get short. Short 9s. What's that trade? Shelling point 9s and 0. It's the other part of the distribution thickened up. So sellers drove it all the way through the node. Spoof's kind of a no man's land. Off the rally of the high of day, it's not there anymore. Short 9s. Oh, I was long 9s. Whoopsie. I scratched it. Upticking from buyers now. Partially biased because we're at the end of a shelling point. Bid stacks. It spoofs though. I see the spoof not lift. It stayed 100 and I decide to get out. It was a blunder. First one was fine. I scratched and it was a moderate amount. Second one I got in for. I don't like it. Should have waited. It's evident to me that they're gonna hit the shelling point and move into distribution now. Spoofs is at POC. I think I win that trade. Let's see. He starts selling off again. Get short 0s and win really fast. Trade lasts a couple seconds. Chasing now. I'm short 2s. More selling. I missed about a tick of movement because of how fast it moved. Long 2s and selling. Right. So even then, I thought I did all right today, and I'm just fading the move at like every chance I get. Scratch it. Good. Scratched it. 2s. short on tape. Ask stacks. Volume. Or if it was fake, it worked. Scratch. Buying now. It's a seller's market for the whole time. Of course. It's quiet now. It's been a unidirectional move, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see a pop. Win that. She rallies really hard on the bid, and I can't catch any of it. Spoos is freaking out. This is freaking out at value, and she's going. I can hear the tape at 0 as a shelling point. She doesn't let up really. She's a bit quiet here. I take a breakout at 0. I try to get in. I don't think they fill me. Take a breakout at 0. She's quiet now. Offer's not lifting. It just lifted 20. The offer's lifting. I got up for a scratch. Offer cracks for a moment. She's quiet. She has to be loud again for me to get in. Bid. Got short zeros because she couldn't hit it. She couldn't lift. Yeah, now she's lifting. I lost that one. Long nines. She's hitting into it now.